So you're looking at a Dynapower 2500 amp 11 volt rectifier brought to you by Lanco. This is an air-cooled rectifier. Currently have it hooked up to power. Also do a couple load banks here. Brand new remote. This is a 480 volt input, but the transformer is rated at 460, so you do get a little extra voltage on it. Do a quick walk around so you can see the back side here. Again, this is air cooled. See the heat sinks. This has been completely gone through. Excellent operating condition. Does come with a shunt. Once again, this is a 2500 amp 11 volt rectifier. Overall dimensions are 38 inches long, 48 inches wide, and 69 inches high. Input amps is 50 amps. And we'll now operate it for you. Just under 2,000 amps. Just about 11 volts there. Scope. And it runs very nicely. If you're interested in this rectifier or any metal finishing or waste treatment equipment, please contact Lanco at 616-887-8300 or online at www.lanco-corp.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.